Are you someone who loves binge watching, but just can't find the time for hour-long episodes? Then DramaBox might be the perfect solution for your streaming cravings. Let's dive into what makes this app stand out, and whether it's really worth your time. DramaBox is a short drama streaming platform that delivers intense, fast-paced storytelling in bite-sized episodes. Each series is broken into episodes as short as 1 to 5 minutes, optimized for mobile viewing, with engaging cliffhangers to keep you hooked. Sounds like TikTok meets Netflix. You're not far off. The app is filled with Chinese and Southeast Asian dramas that cover everything from romance to thrillers to historical fiction, all with English subtitles, high-quality visuals, and surprisingly good acting. And yes, it's free to start. You can begin watching without even creating an account. But there's a catch. To watch full episodes or unlock more daily content, you either need to wait, watch ads, or pay for a VIP plan. That's where DramaBox makes money. The app heavily encourages in-app purchases to skip wait times or access premium stories. So if you're a binge watcher, this could quickly become a paid experience. Now let's talk experience. The interface is smooth, stories load quickly, and the sound design is surprisingly immersive. There's a rating system, comments, and you can even bookmark series or download episodes. But is it really worth it? If you're looking for deep, complex storytelling, this isn't it. Most plots are melodramatic, fast-paced, and sometimes a little over the top. But if you enjoy soap opera level drama with addictive cliffhangers, DramaBox delivers exactly that. Perfect for commuters, breaks at work, or anyone who wants quick entertainment in short bursts. Final verdict? DramaBox is a unique blend of short-form storytelling and streaming culture. Not for everyone, but for the right audience. It's pure guilty pleasure gold.